Alright. So like I need to give y'all some context before I get into the main story. As of lately, I don't really know where to start. Like I guess I should give y'all some context on my life. I didn't really have the best life growing up. I was basically borderline neglected, treated like I wasn't wanted, shit like that, you know. And relationship wise, I've either fucked up or I've been there for someone up to the point where they don't need me anymore. So I'm just like, I feel temporary. The only time that I've ever actually felt needed or wanted was by an animal. That says something because all I've ever wanted in life was to be needed, was to be wanted, was to be loved. And I can't even get that from my own family. So today, things happened that got me in my mind very bad. Let's just say that the thoughts got dark. I thought about just ending it. Wouldn't have been my first time trying. So, yeah. I didn't do anything though. I went outside for a walk. Very proud of myself. I cried, looked at the moon, listened to some music for the first like 30 minutes. Then I went for a walk. On this walk, I met something. Cute little kitten. Now, the difference between people and animals is that when you show people hate, all that, they'll fake forgive you and all that. And then when you show them kindness, they'll stab you on your fucking back. The reason why I like animals so much is because if I show an animal negativity and hate, then that animal will, in return, probably show me the same. Yeah, I'll try to snap a picture of her tomorrow. Of him or her tomorrow. Yeah, little sewer kitten. Oh yeah. But if you show an animal love, compassion, that animal will borderline almost die for you. Like, it'll be you and that animal. If I go homeless soon, then I know where I'll be. Eventually, I'm planning on going to Job Corps. I don't really know where she'll go. If she does end up trusting me, I'll probably take her to the vet. That's not a fucking kitten. That's a dog. I'll probably take her to the vet. I'll see if they can hold it for like 2 years until I get done with the Job Corps. Then I'll like get a place. From there, yeah. If you all can think of a name, that'd be perfect. he or she is black and white. Not sure of the type of cat though. But what I do know is that I know where she lives. She has eaten tonight. I know that for a fact. She hasn't had anything to drink though. Um, I don't really care about what other people think of me. Like, screw a reputation, you know. She's gonna eat tomorrow. I can guarantee that. Like, she is not gonna have to eat no bug or no shit like that. Like, I'm gonna take her some shit from either work or take her something from tonight's meal for myself. I still have like half my food from tonight, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, if I gain her trust, hopefully she'll be able to heal my heart. Because as of now, I don't really see a point to continue living. I'm depressed, and I thought about taking my own life today. I have nobody to talk to about any of this. I feel like, as a man, like, it's just supposed to be me, myself, and I. That's what everybody makes me feel like here. But if I have to find a purpose, and I know what I want in life, I want to feel needed, wanted, and loved, then I'll find all of that in this kitten. I will not be afraid to go homeless for her until I start doing it. And I just want to say that if you find yourself going through hard times at any point in life, keep your head up. Don't give up until I decide to give up. Let's make this a challenge. Thank you all, and have a good night. This is part 1 of Korey and the kitten. Korini and the kitten. Part 2 will be tomorrow. I will most definitely try to get some pictures. Oh yeah, I walked into a like pizza place. I work at a pizza place, but I walked into, I'm not sure if it was like Pizza Hut, Domino's, I don't know. But I walked in like they were about to close. I asked them, hey, I know I have a very weird request. Do you think I could just have like a handful of pepperonis? And he was like, yeah, that is pretty weird. But you know what? At this point, I don't care. And he just went back there and gave me some. And I was like, thank you so much. I didn't even have my wallet on me, so I couldn't pay for them. And it just made my day, you know? And before that, I had asked someone very important to me that's not here anymore, one of the only people that I could talk to send me a sign. So if this kitten is that sign, then if this interaction is that sign, then hey, I appreciate them so much in life. Regardless if it's a hard one, I would go through hell and back for an animal. Have a nice night, people.